Hey everyone, this is Jeff at Eye Candy Pigments, and today is a huge day for us because finally, after months and months, if not years, of planning and testing and shipping negotiations, labeling and hazmat and everything coming with it, we're finally releasing our epoxy product line. I've been contemplating this over the past couple of years, and I just didn't feel that was the right time, if that makes any sense back then. If we're going to do something, we're going to do it right. And I guess today is a day. We've had some great relationships, and we still do have great relationships with epoxy companies out there. We are not coming in to take over the market per se for the epoxy market. It's just not what I'm doing. This is just a complementary product that we're bringing in with products that we currently do, which is color, right? That's quality and color. And I understand this may not be the right fit for you. You know, you have your go-to products like shoes. I love Adidas shoes. I don't like Nike, but it doesn't make Nike shoes bad. They just don't work for me. So we just want to do work, create a system that works well with us and naturally fits into our Eye Candy brand. What you see in front of us is our deep pour, 3-gallon deep pour. We have our tabletop, which comes in 1-2 gallon. We have our 24-hour deep pour, and we have our 1-hour resin. All these we offer free shipping on. This is only available in the U.S. We do not ship internationally. We are working on it. So again, we're going to kind of wait and see how this goes and then expand further. The sale today starts at 15% with coupon code epoxy15 at checkout. Again, 15% off, free shipping. If you want to try it out, great. If not, totally get it. Totally get it. A quick side note, on our website, as you scroll down a little bit on our website, you'll see build an epoxy kit or something along those lines. When you buy a kit, you get a free color. The pigment or paste, you get a free color with it. The only exception is you do not get a color shift. Color shifts, ultra shifts are not available, but you can get a pigment or paste for free when you order a kit. On a side note of that, you cannot what we call double dipping. If you buy a kit and get free color, at checkout you can't add another coupon code to it, whether it be a sale coupon, pigment points, or what have you, or affiliate code. You can't use it because it's going to override the kit, if that makes any sense. But we have it on disclaimer on top there saying you cannot double dip. I think that's about it on that part. On a second note, third note, fourth note, what have you, the wholesalers, if you're a wholesaler for us, yes, these are now available for wholesale. And so when you log into your account, you will see the pricing for the epoxy resin. If you're looking for more information on these kits, we do have TDSs, technical data sheets, in the menu on our website under Eye Candy Resin. On the drop down, you see the TDS. Click on that button, and it'll take you all to all the information for each kit, and they're also on the product page. But I also just want to say your feedback is extremely important to us. You'll probably get an email in the next 3 to 5 days if you do order it, asking for your feedback. I sincerely appreciate it if you do. It's the only way we can improve if it's needed. I sincerely want to say thank you for those that have been supporting us throughout the years. Without you, there's no Eye Candy, and I recognize that. In the near future, we're going to have some more videos and content tutorials on these products. And if you do have questions in the meantime, feel free to email me, give us a call, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible because I know there's going to be some questions out there. Again, thanks guys for all the support. Until then, we'll talk soon. Bye.